All right. So the project idea which we are trying to develop is fantasy stock trading. Many are still not comfortable with investing in equities because of the risk involved and also the volatility in the market trend. So we're planning to simulate real world conditions and also introduce gaming factor within it. So let's log into our application. This is how our front end looks like currently. When you log in, we have introduced Google authentication too within our Cognito. Since I've already signed up, I'll sign in as the existing user. And our dashboard is currently empty. We are planning to fill this later. When you click the competitions button, you will get a list of competitions from which are retrieved from Elasticsearch. So these are the 3 competitions right now available within our system. This competition is live and these 2 are yet to start. The pool size here indicates the number of users that can participate in this competition. Maximum 100 indicates the total amount which we are going to reward for this competition. Winners will be the top 4. So as soon as the timeline for this particular competition is over, the status will get changed to close. And when the start date of these competitions arrive, the status will change to live. Okay, and when the competition closes, the winners and losers will be updated automatically. Now for explaining the backend, I'll hand over to Pawan.
So once the user joins the competition pool, the next important part is to update his ranks and score in real time. For that, we are collecting the stocks data in real time and we are storing it in MongoDB. So every minute, rather appending the new records to the DB, we are replacing the old records with the new ones. So to save the storage space and most importantly, the processing time during the search. So right now the scheduled trigger is configured as a cron job in the EC2 machine. Here is a cron job and it is running every minute. And once the stocks data is updated, at the same time, we are triggering another Python script to update the ranks and score details for a particular competition of the user.
Thank you for your time.